Trust me, cook mutton my way once and you will never forget it. First, I clean the meat and slice up some fresh red onions. Now for the magic. Add black pepper and star anise. Roast them until it smells amazing. This is how I get that deep flavor in my mutton curry. First, I toast these spices until fragrant and blend them into a thick paste. I coat the mutton thoroughly and let it rest. This step is non-negotiable. Want my secret for the perfect mutton curry? It starts here. First, I get these onions deep golden brown for a rich base.
Then I drop in the mutton and sear it on high heat.
I season it well with turmeric and plenty of red chili. This is my secret for the richest meat curry ever. I start with bold chili and tomatoes until they're soft. The secret is adding yogurt for that creamy texture. Just mix it right in. Look how tender this mutton is. I can't even describe this flavor. I let it simmer low and slow, and now it's finally time for the big reveal. The gravy is so thick and aromatic. Honestly, this is my favorite comfort food.